What's going on, YouTube? We're gonna be recording a little video. Bolt Mustang here. Quick little POV, nothing crazy. Should be pretty fun. Just showing y'all what it's like, how it is, what it look like, stuff like that. But yeah, quick little POV. First one mini. Further ado, let's get into it. What's going on, YouTube? It's gonna be the first little POV drive. My loud 3-valve Mustang. This car is so loud, bro. First little POV though for y'all boys, man. I know it's not a lot of 3-valve content out there, so thought I'd, start making some content for the 3-valve gang, feel me? This car is so loud, bro. It's gonna be cruising today. It's a little rainy day, a little cloudy day, something like that for me. Nothing too crazy. See if we can find somebody on the streets out here. Has a little fun, But yeah, man, it's not a lot of 3-valve content creators out here, man. I see that. It's not really any at all. Every video I see or something like that, it's like old videos and stuff like that. So, I was like, you know what? Why not? Why not make some content? Man, this car loud. Got a little Callus H pipe on here. Straight pipe. No mufflers and stuff like that. Got a Borla catback. Stock headers, With this mid pipe and that Borla, I know Borla Corsa, y'all know how it is. That shit loud as hell. Any of my 3-valve guys out there, know what I'm saying? Subscribe and all that. Guys stick together. There ain't many of us out here, you know what I'm saying? Every time on the road, all I see is S550s, S550s, newer Camaros, Scat Packs. I barely see 2-valves as well. It's mostly 3-valves and stuff like that, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Trying to make a way for our little community. And ain't many of us. It's a little calm little day though. Calm little cloudy day. That was a Coyote. It's a little Eco Boost. This car is crazy, man. I'm telling you. It's so fucking loud, bro. The guy I bought it from, I'm not sure. I know it's a Bama tune on here. I think it's like a pop tune or something. Cause this car, my gas mileage in this car is literally non-existent. Like I can drive for like 4 hours. I can fill up, drive for like 4 hours, and my gas to be going basically. So, like getting good gas mileage in this car is not even an option. But I guess that comes with the V8 life, right? The life of a V8, right? You don't buy, it's miles per gallon, you know what I'm saying? So you buy this, you ain't expecting nothing, you know what I'm saying? You ain't expecting to get good gas mileage out of a V8. You gotta drive it like you stole it, you know what I'm saying? But we love it though. We love the V8 life. I might either in this video or like probably in the next one, show you how much it is to fill it up. It's not that much as y'all would think, because I'm still using 87. This car is tuned like a regular like 87 Batman tune because of the previous owner. Yeah, I just got this car though like 3-4 months ago, so haven't did much to it like power wise. A few little bolt-ons, but mostly cosmetic stuff. Yeah, mostly cosmetic. Bro, come on, bro. Driving slow as heck. But yeah, most of the stuff I got in here, cosmetic stuff. No power mods yet. No big power mods yet. That's coming real soon. I just want to get looking good first, you know what I'm saying? Next thing I'm gonna get is some wheels. Yeah, next thing I'm gonna get is some wheels, get that out the way. After that, I don't really know. Wheels, I want to get some Brembos for this car, because yeah, I want to get some Brembos for this car, man, because the brakes the last guy had on this, it's not good at all. I would not recommend. I don't even know what he had. I think it's some regular like AutoZone brakes and stuff like that. I mean, it's cold as hell. They were getting ice cream. They were getting ice cream. It's cold as fuck. But yeah, I gotta do like maintenance first on this car. Oh, suspension. My suspension was fucking terrible, bro. Got suspension done to this car. Yeah, I got suspension done to this car. I got new control arms, tie rods, no stuff like that. Little suspension work for it. The suspension was shot, my brakes were shot. The engine's in good health though. Luckily, like the engine only has 100. When I first got the car, it had like 104,000 miles. So the engine's in good condition and all that. But you know, everything else, owner didn't really do a great job taking care of it. When I got the car, it had no oil in it. It had no oil in it. It had no coolant. It had no like regular oil. Nothing. I was like, what the fuck was he doing? Though I love this car though, man. Like it ain't the fastest, because everybody knows, man, 3 valves are not fast at all, but that's fine for me. You don't gotta be the fastest sometimes. I would say, like, if you want a good first fun street car, then definitely get a 3 valve. This is a great, like, if you get into V8s, I would say get a 3 valve over like a RT Challenger or Charger or something like that. RTs are just too heavy, man, to have fun for real, to me. Like, I beat RTs. Every time RT try to race me, they lose. So it's like, the best bang for buck for being cheap, for street fun, I would say a 3 valve Mustang. They're great cars, you can spin, drift, burnout. It's a V8, above all, so, you know. Recently, I've been saying a lot of like Durango Hellcats. Bro, what the fuck, bro? Oh my god. I've been seeing a lot of Durango Hellcats lately, and not a a lot of new S650s. I'm guessing a lot of people still haven't got theirs yet, 'cause I'm still seeing like a lot of like transport trucks like carrying a bunch of S650s, so probably a lot of people haven't got theirs yet, honestly. Which is expected, it's fairly new, you know. Put the windows down a little for y'all, boys. This car is so loud, bro. This like a cop. Everybody going so damn slow. That's not even a damn cop. People just going slow for no reason, bro. Yeah, this car is super loud. I'm gonna try to get another POV for you guys. Going down like some like not back roads, but like side roads. Nice little echo of the trees, you know, stuff like that. I'll try to get that next. Let's get a little sound clips for y'all. This car sounds so crazy. See a little downshift. Oh my god, bro. This car literally sounds so crazy. Oh, it's raining. Raining, boys. Yeah, this car sounds insane, bro. It's so, like, video does this car no justice, bro. This car is so fucking loud. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for my little POV video today. More videos coming soon for sure. It's starting to rain a little bit, so I got bald tires right now, so I ain't trying to die. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, man. Very much appreciate y'all boys for watching. Hit that like button, all that good stuff. KR3 Val, we back another video, guys. Peace out.